How to make and create electronics logo on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to canva.com and log into your account. Now go to the top right here, click on create a design and search for logo and click on the first option. Now it will take you to this page. All what you have to do is simple. Go right here and scroll down until you find the electronics logo option. As you can see, click on see all and choose any template here, for example this one, and you can change anything here. After you finish, click on share and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.